In this video, I'll guide you through how to schedule a meeting in Zoho. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to click, what information to fill in, and how to make sure all your participants receive their invites without any confusion. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open Zoho Meeting. You can do this either by going to the Zoho Meeting website in your browser and signing into your account, or by opening the Zoho Meeting app if you have it installed. Once you're signed in, you should see your main dashboard where upcoming meetings, recent sessions, and options to start or schedule a meeting are usually displayed. From this main screen, look for the option labeled Schedule Meeting. It's typically easy to spot near the top of the page or in the sidebar. Go ahead and click Schedule Meeting. This will open a new page or pop-up window where you'll enter all the details for your meeting. The first thing you'll usually be asked for is the meeting title. This is the name that will appear in the calendar invites and in Zoho Meeting itself. Type in a clear descriptive title so everyone immediately understands what the meeting is about. For example, instead of something vague like check-in, you might use Weekly Marketing Team Check-in or Client Project Status Update. A good title helps participants quickly recognize the purpose of the meeting in a crowded calendar. Next, you'll set the date and time. Look for the date picker and choose the correct day for your meeting. Then set the start time, and if the option is available, confirm the duration or the end time. Make sure the time zone is correct, especially if you work with teammates or clients in other regions. Zoho Meeting typically adjusts invites according to each participant's time zone, but it's always a good idea to double check that your own time zone is set correctly in your account settings beforehand. Once the date and time are set, it's time to add participants. You should see a field where you can enter email addresses or search for contacts already stored in Zoho. Start typing the email address or the name of each person you want to invite and select them as they appear. Take a moment here to ensure all addresses are correct, since this is how people will receive their invitations and joining links. You can add internal teammates, external clients, or anyone else who needs to attend. At this point, you've entered the main details: title, date and time, and participants. Some versions of Zoho Meeting may also let you adjust optional settings in this same screen, such as enabling a meeting password, turning on video by default, or choosing whether participants can join before the host. If you see these options and they're relevant to your meeting, configure them according to your needs. When everything looks good, the final step is to click Save and Send Invites. This action does two things at once. It saves your meeting in Zoho Meeting and sends email invitations to all the participants you added. Each invite typically includes the meeting title, date and time, and a link or instructions for joining. That's all there is to it. You've opened Zoho Meeting, scheduled your session, added the key details, invited your participants, and sent out the invites. Now you're ready for a smooth, professional meeting using Zoho.